Mihela, shall we talk about a bird whose name could be mistaken with another bird? The bright green warbler. Also called the green warbler, green willow warbler or green leaf warbler, is a leaf warbler. Nondescript leaf warbler with two whitish wing bars, often only one visible. Breeds in the forest in the Caucasus Mountains. Winters primarily in southern India, where it largely overlaps with similar-looking greenish warbler. Dull to bright greenish upper parts, a yellow wash usually restricted to the face, and a pale orange lower bill. Although separable from greenish warbler by its greener upper parts, yellow on face and the second wing bar when present. Green is best identified by its loud, fast, trisyllabic call. Their calls are like locally named Kola Raviya. I have not seen the bright green warbler. Sri Lanka is home to over 10,000 lakes and wetlands. But did you know that there is no single natural lake in Sri Lanka, which means all of them are man-made? What you see here is one of the magnificent lakes called Kantali Tank.